Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome back to Cicely's Circle, where we talk about the circle of my life. So, today we're going to get into how to achieve plumper, fuller lips, how to make them more pronounced lip injection style. Okay, you guys? We're going to be using matte colors in Velvet Teddy, Candy Yum Yum, Heroin, and Ruby Woo, you guys. So, let's get ready and get this show on the road. So first things first, you guys, I'm going to put a little foundation around my lip area, my chin area, so that way, you can make the lips more pronounced. You don't want to just put it on just like fresh skin. It just looks better with foundation, you guys. You'll see. So I'm just buffing it on here, buffing. Making sure that's even all around. Can keep buffing. I didn't get the neck, you guys, but y'all get the point. Sweep under the eyes. Then I'm gonna use a little highlight on my chin, above my mouth, on the corners of my mouth, on the tip of my nose. Don't know why I do it on the tip of my nose. There you go. Just gonna buff that out here. Kind of create like a base for my lipsticks. Usually, that's what I usually try to do with my foundation. Just like create a base for my lipstick. Okay, so that's going to be the Velvet Teddy lipstick and the Brown Sephora lip gel liner. So I'm just going to line my lips. So you see I'm getting into the points of my lip at the top. I'm just going to line it from the bottom and just line it like the regular way. This is how you line it. But then I go over the line. And this is how you get that pronounced 3D lip injection look. It even looks fuller when you line it a little bit. Then I line it in the middle and the corners. And just kind of give it a little bit more depth that way. Now I'm going to get that Velvet Teddy MAC lipstick and just fill it in. Kind of blot it a little bit, fill it in. Okay. Gonna kind of just clean it up a little bit with some more liner. Make the liner more defined. And then just get around those edges. And then you can get any type of brush and just kind of clean it up with that as well. So that way it makes everything crisp and beautiful. And there goes that fuller, natural, nude look, you guys. And there you go. Next, we're going to do the MAC color liner and Current and the Candy Yum Yum lipstick. So we're just going to line it the regular way. First, I just do the top lip and try to define that on the top and then go at the bottom as well. And now I'm overlining, you guys. It's important to overline that top lip. That is how you get that fuller lip. Okay? Gonna go in with that Candy Yum Yum. Candy Yum Yum. Everybody loves Candy Yum Yum. I wanted it so bad when it first came out. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. Get the corners of my mouth. And then boom. A full 3D lip look. Lip injection style, you guys. Clean it up a little bit on the corner. Add a little more depth. And adding some more on my edges. Cleaning it up a little bit more. And there you go. 3D lip injection style. Candy Yum Yum lips. Alright, next we're going to go with that same liner, Current MAC lip liner. Going to define the top of my lip. And go around on the bottom. And we're going to overline it once again. Get that lip injection 3D style lip look. And this time we'll be using the color Heroin, that famous purple matte lipstick, you guys. Beautiful. Just going to fill it in there. And you guys get the gist of it pretty much. But these are the different colors you can do it with. And there you go. 3D lip. All right, next we're going to go with that same line of Karen. And I love the Karen. Karen just goes with all the colors like I said before. And going to overline those lips because that is so important to get that 3D lip injection style fuller lip. And the next color that we're going to use is the infamous Ruby Woo. Yes, you know guys, y'all know about Ruby Woo. It's a beautiful red color, like a cool blue tone. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit around the edges. Add a little bit more foundation to make it pop. Clean up a little bit more. Add a little bit more color. And there you go. That full 3D lip injection style Ruby Woo lip. So again, thanks you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe to get all my notifications. And welcome back to Sisley Circle, where we explore the circle of my life.